Welcome to this tutorial on data aggregation and grouping in SQL. This is what we are going to learn today in this video. Stay tuned till the end. Data cleaning ensures your datasets are free from errors, missing values, duplicates, and inconsistencies. Data transformation reshapes your data into a format that is more usable for analysis. Together, these processes ensure that your analysis is accurate and reliable. Before we start cleaning and transforming data, it's important to understand why it matters. Poor data quality can lead to inaccurate insights and flawed decision-making. Data cleaning helps ensure that your dataset is complete, consistent, and free from outliers that can skew your analysis. Missing data is one of the most common issues when working with large datasets. SQL provides several methods for handling missing data, such as filtering out rows with missing values, or replacing missing values with defaults or averages, using the coalesce function.
Let's take an example now.
This query shows the name and phone number of each customer. If a customer doesn't have a phone number, it says no phone available instead of showing nothing. This is null query finds all customers who have a phone number. It's like making a list of people who've given you their phone numbers. Duplicate records can lead to inaccurate aggregations and skewed reports. To remove duplicates, you can use SQL's distinct keyword, or if you need to permanently clean up the dataset, you can use the delete statement to remove duplicate rows based on specific criteria. Let's see a distinct example now. This query shows a list of unique combinations of customers and the dates they made purchases. It helps you see when each customer bought something without repeating information. This SQL query removes duplicate sales records by keeping only the first sale for each customer on each day. It creates a temporary table that lists the first sale for each customer on each day. Then, it removes all sales records that aren't in this temporary storage. This means it keeps only the first sale for each customer on each day and deletes the rest. Finally, it cleans up by removing the temporary storage since it's no longer needed. Inconsistent data formats, such as date formats or capitalization differences in text, can make data difficult to analyze. SQL offers functions to standardize data formats, like upper and lower for text, and date conversion functions to unify date formats. The SQL query with upper function converts all the names from the employees table to uppercase, that is in capital letters. The query with lower function will convert the case of all the employees' name to lowercase. These help in removing data inconsistency in the dataset. This SQL query converts the order date column from a string format to a proper date format. Outliers can significantly impact your analysis by skewing averages and totals. In SQL, you can filter out outliers by applying conditions in your where clause to exclude values that fall outside of a reasonable range. This SQL query retrieves all columns from the sales table for sales with a total amount between $100 and $10,000 inclusive. The case statement allows you to apply conditional logic within your SQL queries, transforming data based on specific conditions. This is useful for data classification or recoding values, such as grouping customers into different spending categories. The query looks at each customer's total purchase amount and assigns them a spending category. If a customer's total amount is over $5,000, they're labeled a high spender. If it's between $1,000 and $5,000, they're a medium spender. Anyone spending less than $1,000 is categorized as a low spender. The result shows each customer's ID along with their spending category, helping to quickly identify different levels of customer spending. In data transformation, converting data types is often necessary to ensure consistency or compatibility. SQL provides the cast and convert functions to change data types, such as converting text to numbers or dates to strings. The query takes the order ID from the orders table and changes it into a text format using the cast function. The result is a list of order IDs, but now they're all in text form instead of their original number format. This query converts a string date into a proper date format. It's useful when you have dates stored as text and need to work with them as actual dates. Let's put everything we've learned into practice. Suppose you're working with a customer transactions dataset that contains missing values, duplicates, inconsistent date formats, and outliers. We'll clean and transform this data using the techniques we've covered. This set of queries demonstrates common data cleaning operations. It removes duplicate transactions, handling missing or null values, standardizing date formats, and filtering the outliers. In this video, we explored the essential techniques for cleaning and transforming data using SQL. We covered handling missing data, removing duplicates, standardizing formats, and transforming values using conditional logic. These skills are critical for preparing clean, accurate datasets for analysis. In the next video, we'll take a deep dive into SQL window functions, an advanced feature that allows you to perform complex calculations over partitions of your data.